convey my deepest condolences to the family of Wanyoikes, especially Tony, Kiki, and Stella, because you're the one who's going to be hit hard, but take heart, all will be well. And then also to thank the people. Thank you all people. We will never get tired of thanking you. From day one, you've supported us. From the day on Sunday when the news broke out, our phones were full of people condoling with us and giving messages of sympathy. We've been having prayer meetings every day, and you've been turning up in large numbers to console the family, and we are so grateful for that. Thank you. So Liz to me was not just a sister, she was a mother. She took me in when I was very young, me and my sister, to go and stay with her. That was almost 50 years ago, and since then we've been with her. And she was a kind woman. I don't know how to express it because it is known. I don't want to give a testimony about her because her friends and her associates will come here and do that. You know, it is not good to hear a testimony from a family member because I will stand here and start saying all the sweet things about her. But her friends know her, and they can tell you the bad things and the good things about her. And I'm sure there will be no bad things that will be told about her. She was a great lady. She never forgot the church, even after she moved to Nairobi. She always communicated with her local church, that is ACK St. Joseph Kaganjo Church. She worshipped there. She assisted in very many projects, and I'm sure my vicar is here, he can attest to her. Mr. Solomon, although he's very new to our parish, she might not have known her very well. And she really supported that church to bring it up to where it is. She was kind. I'll keep repeating, she was kind and caring. And in addition to the motherly love and advice, she also gave us financial support. And Lizzie will never give you cash money. I think the most money I've ever gotten from her is 100 shillings. And that was for pocket money when I was going to school. She will never give you money. But she will ask you, what is your problem? You will tell her, I have a project. I want to do this and this. So she will tell you, okay, 20. You think now she's taking you to the bank to give you money. She takes you to the manager, because she was in very good terms with the managers, equity and finance. And then she will tell you, what you wanted to tell me, tell this guy. Then you say, I want this project, I want this much money. But I was expecting my sister to give it to me. In any case, what happens now, we are going to give you a loan. That project, if you want to buy a vehicle, you make sure you bring that logbook to stay in his bank, take your car, go and do business, be paying and getting your profit from there. And we all excuse me, we all benefited from that because that is how she was. She was a really good woman. I'm almost finishing because if I give my own testimony, I think when I got married in the 1990s, I became homeless because once you get married, you cannot stay. I couldn't stay with her anymore. She chased me out. Okay, not chasing me out. Actually, it was it was actually automatic. I had to move out. So I struggled looking for houses, one bedrooms, bed sitters with my wife, until one day I had said, no way, I'm going to approach my sister. So I told her, please take me. You know this bank. Because those days in the 19, you couldn't just walk into the bank and get a mortgage the way we do now. Nowadays, getting loans become much easier. Not that you had to know somebody. So she told me, why do you want to take a mortgage? Let me see your pay slip. I showed her. How are you going to pay a mortgage with this kind of money, this pay slip? She told me, you can't. But I'm going to help you. I have a house in South Sea, which I'm renting, and I'm really getting problems with the tenants. How much money do you have? I told her. She told me, bring it. That is the deposit for that house. That house is yours, but you have to complete payment because we wrote an agreement of how much money the market value of that house. Pay me every time you get something, bring it. I ended up paying that house after 20 years. In fact, Stella can attest to that because the house was in her name. That is how good she was. She was I'm finishing, a disciplinarian. If Jenga didn't know, and the people in school, if you're staying with her, you have to abide to her rules. I was staying in her house. You make a mistake of coming home after her or late, you sleep outside. Lucky for us, there used to be a servant's quarters happen next. So there was one unoccupied room. We normally used to come. Once you refused to enter, you go and sleep there. Many a times I slept there. I think it took you an I don't know how until I was. No, Tony was here very young. Yeah, so I slept there many times, and I put the blame squarely on my wife. Because those were the days when we were dating. And when I was taking her for a movie, we ended up in the carnival. I come home late, I'm locked outside. So, but it was all in good order because after I told her that I've been sleeping outside because of you, she agreed to marry me. I think that was the only way she could show her sympathy. Yeah, so I think I'll end there. Our sister, rest in peace. We loved you so much. We loved you so much. And I'm sure there are people who will come here and attest to that. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, the family. Those are the family speeches. Now we will go to family tributes. And we will start with the children. Therefore, kindly, Anthony, Stella, and Eric, you can take the floor now.
It is well with my soul. With my soul, it is well.